Hi everyone. In previous videos, we have learned that how we can access the desired elements. In this video, let's see some of the examples like after accessing what we can do and what are the possible ways we can alter the elements. Then how do we create our own element in a JavaScript and what is the use of alert method. Okay, without wasting time, let's get into the topic. Let's get some knowledge. These are HTML code and yeah, I'll write one header, header 2, and I'll create one div element with paragraph like anything and one header. And to access this, let's assign one ID to that, like Tony. And for this div, Stark. Okay, I'll create one variable to store the element. Get element by ID. Our ID is Tony. This is how we can access, right? Okay, I'll just print this. See, this is our header. I want to add some text. Okay, previously it has I am header, right? I'll change that. How? Let's see that. A dot. I'm using inner HTML property. Changing using JS. Okay. See, these are header. Previously it was I am header. Okay, I'm changing using inner HTML property of a node. Then we can add colors also. Let's see that. For this, let's use div. I'm accessing that. A dot. I'm using style dot color. Previously it was like yellow, right? Let's change to red. See, the div elements change it to red color. And we can change the background of that, like background color. So the whole background color change it to red. So this is how we can access the elements and we can change according to our requirements. See, if any person clicks on something, we can change background color to red to indicate the danger, right? So this is how we can make the pages dynamic. That's about how we can alter some of the elements by accessing. Then let's see what is the create element instance method. Okay, see, in HTML we created one element using header tags, div tag, paragraph tag, like that, right? But in script, how we can create that element? First we have to create one variable to store the element, and we'll use document dot. There is an instance method called create element. Okay, within that we have to give the tag of the element we have to create. Like if our desired element to be paragraph, we have to give like p or div, anything. For example, let's take div, and I'll quickly print that. See, the div tag, the div element gets created by JavaScript code. We can add some code also, like div dot inner HTML. Okay, for div we can't add. If it is a paragraph, we can add. Let's change the color. Sorry, we have to take a, right? A dot style dot color red. I created this. Okay, we can add inner HTML also, like text also. Created using JS. I'm printing in console, right? Let's refresh this and let's inspect whether it's reflecting here. Yes, see, the div element gets created and the text created using JavaScript. Okay, we can add this to our HTML, to our web page also. Using some instance method we can add that. I'll explain later. Yeah, that's about this create element instance method. Okay, let's talk about one more thing called alert that we can use to pop up some message. Like, see, these are page, right? If anyone clicks on some button, the pop-up should come. Okay, let's not complicate this. I'll just print alert yeah. See, if I refresh this page, there is a alert box is coming with the text I gave, that is yeah. Okay, yeah, that's about alert method. We can use, like, let's say, okay, I'll first remove this. There is a button called click me. I'll quickly get that button, like document dot get element by tag name, that is a button. Yeah, we can in a console it is printing HTML collection. There is a button. If we get a of 0, actual element we are getting, since it will give like array, okay, elements, right? So it will give like array or a list. I'm getting the first element, that is button. Okay, on click, like it's a right, a dot, I'm using some event handler a. Okay, a of 0, right? The first one, add event listener. If I click on that, like click event, if I click on that, do alert. Okay, alert, you clicked. These are code. Let's see. So this is a button. Okay, if I click on that, alert message, some pop-up message will come. See, you click. That's the use of alert method. That's about this video. If you guys like it, give a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in a comment section. See you.